you could get a new roof for $5,000. And that seems like a great deal, right? Well, let's break it down. Let's talk about the difference between a seemingly cost-effective roofing solution and a quality investment. So cheap roofing options seem like a great deal, right? But this bargain could end up costing you more in the long run. The difference between cheap roofing and a quality investment is the materials. Cheap roofing can use subpar materials, which leaves your home more susceptible to damage, especially over time. Those materials may not be able to withstand severe weather. So if you're in North Carolina or South Carolina where we are, you may experience hurricanes, hail, rainstorms, things of that nature. Those subpar materials will not stand a chance. Next, there is cheap labor. So when you're buying a cheap roof, you're going to get cheap labor. Cheap labor means that someone may be learning or they may be practicing. They may not be very experienced, right? So that could end up with things like improper sealing, incorrect placements, which all these things can lead to leaks and damage your roof, and even worse, your walls, your just anything in your home. These low-cost solutions lack durability and longevity. A cheap roof can negatively impact your home's overall value. So we know the roof is one of the biggest investments on your home. When you have roof issues and you might want to sell your home or get an appraisal or something like that, that is going to negatively impact it. And for some people, that roof could be a deal breaker. So now, after considering all of these drawbacks to cheap roofing, we want to take a look at what a quality investment looks like. We have an amazing alternative for you. A complete upgrade. So, okay, here are a few reasons why the investment in a Gator Metal roof is the smart choice for homeowners. So Gator Metal roofs are durable and practically maintenance free. So we're talking about peace of mind. Like if you have that hurricane that's coming through, that storm, or you live by the coast and you're worried about the strong winds, with a metal roof, especially a Gator Metal roof, you have that durability and peace of mind through every storm. Also, a Gator Metal roof is energy efficient. You're actually going to be saving on your energy bills. Our customers save up to 40% on their energy costs every single month. The metal roof can come in 18 different colors, and it's just beautiful. It can fit into any neighborhood depending on the style that you want. Some colors that are more HOA friendly, obviously, but overall some of our popular colors are the glossy black, we have the gun barrel gray, we have the country red. So another thing is resale value. When you have a brand new roof, especially one that with all of the benefits that I'm listing here, it's going to increase the resale value of your home. Metal roofing is recyclable. So after the lifespan of your metal roof, which is at least 50 years, that material is recycled, and guess what? It's gonna make another metal roof. Very special offers for our customers. We just love for people to be able to upgrade their roof and feel that peace of mind. So we're offering $1,500 off the cost of a new roof. We also have finance plans available. So a Gator Metal roof is not just a metal roof, it's a metal roofing system. It's smart, it's reliable, it's sustainable. It is a quality investment. So give us a call today to get your free estimate.